Hey, how you doing? My name's Randy, and this is my shop. This is Randy's Vette. I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough. We've parted out 15 cars in the past month. This is a 77. We call it a rust bucket or a Ricky Black special because we think it was on the bottom of the ocean. This is 84 4+3 that we just got through doing. This is a 76 we just did, 85, 92, 94, 70, 81. These are just parts. Take you on a quick walkthrough. My name's Randy Lake. You can reach me at 704-689-7526. Call me now. Here's some more stuff. Like I said, we parted out a bunch of cars in the past few weeks, so I've got stuff everywhere. Okay, cross members, there's engines under there as well. Differentials, here's differentials, 308, 411, 323, LT1 engine, half shafts, rear ends, rear suspension. I sell a lot of suspension, C4 suspension, steering columns, convertible tops, engines, cross members. There's a Resto Mod frame right there. There's a 68. There's a 69 convertible, 68 convertible. There's a 2000 Trans Am. I bought it for the engine. I'm putting it in the 68 Camaro over here. There's a 71. They put a 81 tail panel on. There's a 70 Vette right there. These are all parts. It's a clutter right now. I'm kind of sloppy. I'm gonna show you out here. There's a 84. There's a 77 with the wide fenders. There's a 72 chassis. Here's a bunch of frames. Okay, 68 frame, 72 frame, 81 frame, 79, 75, 80. Okay, there's a front clip. There's a 94 6-speed car. 77. Here's some fenders over here. Front clips. The 72 front bump, front fender, rear glass, and this is the junk. This is the graveyard, but it's really just a resurrection post or a hospital, the vet doctor or whatever. Because we sell parts to people that fix theirs up. There's a 79, 87, 91, another 79. There's a Pussycat. And these are the ones we parted out the past couple of weeks right here. 81, 76, 78, 77, 77, 80 model, 74, 79, 76, 72, 71. There's all my older stuff there, a bunch of 69s and stuff like that. But my name's Randy Lake. This is Randy's Vette. 704-689-7526. I'm in North Carolina. Bye.